Now we gotta drill and tap this for a coolant sensor, so I know how hot it's running. So my thought process is somewhere past this, so I can take this off and get air and kind of blow everything out that I drill. But do I want it on top where air bubbles can hit it, so it can give me false readings on an air bubble, or do I want it on the side to be more stealth? So I'm not sure. This might be harder to drill, so I might just go simple and go on top. So my MPT tap wants 11 30-second drill bit. So I had to go buy one. I didn't have one, so I bought one. Stepping up size. There's my paper towel I stuffed in there. Okay, final size. Man, that's a big hole. Hopefully that's thick enough for the MPT. Ready? Never tapped before, and I don't have the tool to actually spin it, so I'm using vice grips. And this is tapered, that's how it creates a seal, and I don't know how deep to go. So, yeah, there's that. So I tapped it as far as I felt comfortable, but let's see, as you can tell, it's like two or three actual threads deep. So I'm gonna have to barely tighten it, put thread tape and like some sealant, and hopefully it seals and won't leak. But yeah, it gets tight right around there. That's really like that. Now I have to blow all the metal shavings out of there. Ready? Beautiful. Oh boy. This is probably not needed, but it's extra security.
It's an adult diaper.
Right? Depends. And there's that installed. I don't know if I recorded that or not. I think we're ready for priming, so I'm taking the old original spark plugs out. You can look at them, they're super like old gas, old oil. I have no idea how long this motor's been sitting. So if you didn't watch my first video of this motor, it has a 2J oil pump in it. So there's absolutely no oil. We resealed the oil pan in this. So this is a complete dry motor, and we're gonna try to prime it. No spark plugs, so we won't have spark. My fuel is hardwired, so we won't have fuel, so I'll just try to crank it and see if my oil pressure gauge will build pressure. We'll see. So I turned my relay on, and then I tried to turn the key and absolutely nothing happened, and I was kind of freaking out. Like, what could it be? It's something simple. And then I totally forgot this is a Pro-Am car, or a Pro-Am cutoff switch. Oh, that screwdriver dipped out. But I need to turn that on to get power. Duh. Oh, and here is my gauges. So I painted, this was the aluminum piece. I painted that black, and I masked the center console and painted that black. And here's all my gauges: water temp, oil pressure, volts, oil temp, air fuel, and boost. And I also painted the villains hydro. It was just raw metal. So it looks freaking dope. Looks like we got power. My battery's probably dead, so we're jumping from that one also. Let's see. Turn the headlights off. Oh my god. Oh shit.
The fans are hardwired.
My fans are hardwired on ignition, so check this out.
Those are cool in there.
Wow. Holy crap. How can I... Do you have like a string we can like... Look at that.
I'm sorry. That's just funny.
It's like goo.
Probably go slow. The air bubbles are gonna pop it out. Damn, that is thick shit. Get it directly in the hole.
There you go. Turn everything on.
I think it's all hooked up. So we're about to prime it. Got coolant in it, got oil, there's no spark plugs.
Oh god, I can't reach.
Yeah, sit in there with no seat.
Gonna prime it. Testing. Okay. This is going up and down. Okay, that's good.
Stink. That's it. Bye. Okay, I'm talking my head off.
You guys act like it's gonna start. It's a swap.
It's gonna start.
I think the battery's still dead. We need more juice. So my battery's completely dead, so we have to jump it with the truck. So I'm letting it idle for a little bit. But should be ready to start it. So I figured out why my car is not starting. Here, I'll show you. So here's my ECU. The normal ECU is supposed to have 5 plugs. And I got this sweet gray one over here, which is an immobilizer that is embedded. It's not like a LS motor where you like jump a wire and you're good. It's like embedded in the ECU. So I think there is a model I could get at ECU, but it's very hard to find. There's like 3 ECUs on eBay and they're all wrong. I guess there's like version 1, version 2, and version 3 of a JZ VVTi. I think, I could be wrong. But I got the version 3 and that's the one you're not supposed to get because it has a mobilizer on it. So now I have to send my wiring harness back to Wiring Specialties, have them weld it for a standalone, and I have to buy a standalone, so this car got pushed back like a month or 2, which frickin' sucks. I got my standalone out right here. Not my standalone, my wiring harness, sorry. Brand new harness has to go straight back. And yeah, it sucks. It's a pain. I just want to drive. It's exactly 1 month away from Pro-Am Round 1, and my car is still apart. I got my new ECU, check it out. It's a AEM Infinity 6. Since I have the immobilizer, take that one. Oh, you can't. Oh, where is it? Oh, it's right there. Okay. So that damn immobilizer, I had to go standalone. So there it is. I sent my harness back literally 3 weeks ago. They got the package and they just haven't messaged me. I don't think they've even opened the package to do the modifications to have the standalone plug-in and all the sensors. So kind of screwed a little bit. And I hope they message me and get in contact so I can get my car running dynoed. I'm also getting it painted. It's just super stressful. I have no seat time this whole winter. It's just gonna be stressful. But check out these hood pins I got. Those arrow latches are a bitch. They have all those Allen keys. You have to get it perfect. And then these, you just push it and it pops open. But yeah. Gotta get my passenger seat in. I have a exact same OMP for the passenger. I need to buy harnesses. I don't have harnesses. I don't have seat mounts. Just have the seat. Need to put the new fuel pump in. Need to get my intercooler pipe welded for all the new sensors. Air temp sensors. What else? Coolant expansion tank I'm gonna do, so I don't have any overheating issues. I want to do oil catch can. What else? I need a bash bar for the front. I need a way of mounting a front bumper because all the OEM mounts besides the fenders are gone. Need to paint the Type X kit. There's a bumper in there. Yeah, exactly a month to finish this. It's gonna be a bitch, but that's gonna be it for this video. So hopefully the next video could be running, who knows. All right, thanks for watching.